What's going on, guys? I'm just making a quick video. My wife had to work today, even though we're having a friggin' blizzard. So I drove her, and I love my truck. Chevy Power. These roads were not plowed. There's got to be, well, I measured a foot by my house. It looks like these were plowed maybe overnight, like midnight, 1 a.m. or something, so they might have taken a few inches off of that, but I'm driving through about 10 inches of snow. And it might not seem like much, but it's the most the truck had to do so far. And she's rocking and rolling, so very excited. Not a soul on the road, and I don't even see any police out. I saw one plow. Absolutely ridiculous. So my thoughts and prayers for all the people out there who have to travel during this crap storm. STELLA, right? That's the name of the storm. Well, STELLA got her groove back, and she's dumping on us in the middle of March. Anyway, just a big shout out to all my Chevy boys out there, because this thing is a beast. I love it. Yeah, I'll take it with me down this big hill. I'm telling you, this thing has definitely treated me well, and I'm glad I got her. It's my first truck I've ever had in my life, and I could not be happier. There's no one around at all. Not a soul. Beautiful. Peaceful. You know, it's quiet. Might take a little walk later. Anyway, just a quickie. Hope you guys stay safe during this storm. See you soon. Alright, I'm finally home. I don't know how I can represent exactly how deep this damn snow is. There's my boot. Alright, so I'm driving in. Where's the ground? There it is. Kinda. It's deep. Anyway, alright, well, like I said, be safe, guys. Enjoy your travels, and I'll see you soon. Alright, I'm back again because I got so damn excited that everything went fine that I forgot I'd go pick her up too. So there's the truck. It's not even on the driveway. It's on about a foot of snow. There's easily over 2 feet now to walk out here. It's way past my knees. You guys can see that or not. But thank God. Home finally. Oh, I think I just stepped on one of my driveway lights. So now I have to dig out my snowblower. That'll be fun. So that's pretty much it. You can see, you can't see my car. Well, maybe just the side mirror. So anyway, that concludes it. You can see on the roof probably 1.5 feet. That's not good. Anyway, this is easily the biggest storm in a while. Last couple of years we got pretty lucky. So anyway, yeah, there's my car. Thanks for watching. Good luck.